Understanding Beat Oneself Up, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, beat oneself up. This idiom might sound a bit strange at first, but don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what it means and how to use it in everyday conversations. Beat oneself up is an idiomatic expression in English. When someone says they are beating themselves up, they don't mean it literally. It's a figurative way of saying that they are feeling guilty or regretful about something. This phrase often implies a level of self-criticism or blame that might be more intense than the situation warrants. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. After the presentation, I really beat myself up for forgetting to mention the key statistics. You shouldn't beat yourself up over a small mistake like that. Everyone forgets things sometimes. In these sentences, beat oneself up is used to express regret or self-criticism over something that has happened. It's important not to confuse this phrase with physical beating. Remember, it's a metaphorical expression. So, saying, he beat himself up, in a literal sense would be incorrect unless you're actually talking about self-harm, which is a serious issue and not the context this phrase is typically used in. Beat oneself up is a useful idiom to express feelings of guilt or regret in English. Remember, it's all about the context and the non-literal meaning. We hope this video has helped you understand and feel more confident using this phrase in your English conversations. Keep practicing, and don't beat yourself up if it takes time to get it right. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.